However you want, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Tuesday. What do you think? Do you think it's time for more blonde in my hair? I don't know. What do you think? We'll have to ask Sean at Mercer and the good folks at Mercer to take a blonde contest for me here. Anyway, I'm losing my mind because we're trying to figure out this big ocean storm that's going to be knocking on our doorstep here Thursday and Friday. The jury is still out, but I have a sneaking suspicion that I want you to wait and watch the whole cast before we do this. All right, let's check out the weather headline. I'm such a little tease. Here's what we're talking about. Seriously, very mild weather through Wednesday. Big storm Thursday and Friday too far south of us. Well, it appears so from what I'm seeing right now, but we still might get some rain and wet snow and some gusty northeast winds, maybe some flooding along the coast Thursday night and Friday at the time of high tide. But for today, no weather problems at all. It's partly sunny and mild. Look at that, 50 to 55 degrees for late February. What's up with that? The long-range indices from last month did not work this time, kids, no matter what you say. It just wasn't happening. Clear sky overnight, cool 35 to 40. I'm not being critical of anyone, but I'm just saying some of the long-range tools we use sometimes fail us. All right, now let's jump ahead here. I want to show you, this is the weather map from the European model from last night. Valid 1 o'clock Friday morning. Look at where the storm is. It's 1,000,000 miles southeast of Nantucket. Notice that black dashed line. That's what we call a Norland Trough, a little conversion zone with precipitation, heavy snow back to New York State, maybe even into Connecticut, parts of Pennsylvania, in New York City. Should be cold enough to snow with a north and northeast wind. And we might get a little rain or wet snow here on Friday with gusty winds, maybe over 40 miles an hour, but I think it's too far south. If this verifies, forget it. See ya. Bye. European snowfall? Nothing. There's nothing over us. Heavy snow back through western New York. You see the purple zone? That's like 6 to 12 inches of snow, and snow way up in Maine. But there's nothing. I mean, it's a little sliver in the Berkshires in southern Vermont. That's it. Goodbye and good luck. All right, if that's the real world. 5-day forecast looks like this. Starting with tomorrow, it's sunshine, beautiful, 60 degrees. Oh, what are we doing working? Picnic at Mercer's. Chip's picking up the tab. He's going to take us out to, I think he's taking us to Avon Lewis. All right, Thursday, it's increasing clouds, cooler with an east wind, 47. There could be some light rain Thursday night with gusty northeast winds. I'm still worried about flooding along the coast late Thursday night and Friday with northeast winds gusting over 45 miles an hour. Tides are astronomically high, between 11 and 12 feet, so that could be a problem. There could be some light rain or wet snow on Friday and windy. And then Saturday, partly sunny, windy, and cool 41. And Sunday, we start to warm up close to 50 degrees all over again. I mean, I'm not totally throwing the storm out yet, but if you really want to see a big snowstorm in Boston, this does not look like your storm. Anyway, if you're driving in your car, check me out on Easy 99.1 WPLM. That's my forecast. I'm Mark Rosenthal. Please stay tuned for updates.